Hello learners, today we are going to learn how to attempt the questions that were given in this CCT 5 critical and creative thinking. Before this you have already given 4 exams, and today I am going to tell you about the strategies that you need to adopt in order to solve the answers of such questions. See, in this paper the reading literacy part consisted of 10 questions that we are going to find the answers of today. Um, it consists of one unit, and see, before doing such questions, I have told you always go through the questions first. This not only saves your time but also gives you a name what you have to find out as answer. So directly going to the question 1, we will see based on the passage above match column A with column B, there is one extra statement in column B. This extra statement is basically to confuse you so that you are not able to find the answer easily. Now the second thing, central idea. So every paragraph talks about a particular idea or a particular theme. So when you read a paragraph, you will realize that it is all the sentences are talking about a single idea, and you have to find out or conclude to that single term or single idea what is that in that paragraph. So the answer of this question number one, as we have received the answer key. So question number one is basically the answer is option number D. All right. So but how do we find out the answer? See, if you go to the option number D, pick out any paragraph. Suppose we take paragraph number 5. Answer it has been shown as point number 2, a resourceful enterprise. Let's read paragraph number 5. What does it contain? The NFS started an international initiative to celebrate World Sparrow Day. This was first celebrated on 20 March 2010. After that, every year this day was celebrated all over the world to raise the awareness about house sparrows and other common birds affected by the environment. See this line seems to be very important. It was celebrated to raise the awareness about house sparrows and other common birds. In 2012, the sparrow was adopted as the state bird of Delhi. So clearly, it is a resource. It is a resourceful enterprise. Means the day why it is celebrated and what is the significance of the day that was celebrated. If you try to match this paragraph with some other idea, you will face a lot of difficulty. For example, point number one, predatory tech. No. Recognizing the need. No, it doesn't talk about that. A cause for concern. No, it is talking about awareness. Purposeful technocrats. Again, no. The grounds for the problem. Again, no. Okay, so when you read the paragraph, you will be able to match it with a particular idea. Suppose you are not able to do that. Let us go to the some other part. Suppose paragraph number 3. So paragraph number 3, if we see, yes, sparrows are known to be sedentary birds that usually do not prefer undertaking long flights. However, with the advent of mobile telephony and the corresponding erection of mobile towers and everywhere has made the sparrows an unremitting prey to technology. Mobile towers are known to emit radiation in the frequency of 900 to 1800 megahertz, which not only harms the thin chick skull and sparrow eggs, but also confuses and disorients the sparrow's navigational skills. Sparrows are rarely or rather never found in areas having mobile towers. Alright, so the it matches with point number one, that is predatory tech. So how technology has made them or attacked these preys. All right, we know that these radiations are very harmful to such animals. Again, if you try to find out match this paragraph with some other point, you will not be able to do so. A cause for concern, no. A purposeful technocrats, no. The grounds for the problem, no. So main technology and the predatory habit of the birds, it matches. So therefore the point is one. Similarly, you have to match all these paragraphs with the answer you fit in, and then you will choose any one point. All right, this will not take much time if you directly read the paragraph and match with the answer. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2 talks about match the collective nouns with the animals and then take the correct option. All right, so we know what is a collective noun. A collective noun is basically used to describe a group of things. All right, so this you must all must know already, because we have, when we learn collective nouns, these are some common collective nouns. For example, the first one is a school of fish, right? So now go for the answers. First matches with the fourth. So one is fourth. We have two options, option number C and option number D. So again there is a confusion which one is this, so we'll need to check for one more. See, such questions we do not need to know all the answers. Just through one or two questions, we'll be able to minimize the options and then reach the answer. Now, fourth one is camel. It is called caravan of camels. So, caravan of camels, if we say the fourth matches with the first one, oh sorry, fourth matches with the third one. So now this clearly shows that the answer is C part. So I don't know the other two answers, but I know these two answers, and therefore I am easily able to find out the answer. This not only saves my time, but also gives me a correct answer. Let us check. Okay, question number two, option number C. Similarly, they have given some more examples of collective nouns: a band of musicians, a board of directors, a choir of singers, a class of students, a crowd of people, a gang of thieves, a pack of thieves, a panel of experts, a team of players, a troupe of dancers. These are all the examples of collective nouns. Now we'll move to question number three. Question number three. Choose the option that completes the given paragraph by correctly using 5 of the 7 given phrases from the text. We have been given 7 phrases which are present here. This is the paragraph and these are the blanks. We have to fill these blanks. Okay, so let's start with the answer. The small artisans and craftspersons of India have been dashed to industrialization. Just go through all the answers. Crying need? No. Here today, gone tomorrow? No. Peg the decrees? No. An unwitting prey? Maybe. The advent of? No. Certain pockets? No. Lack of emotional connect? No. When you read the answers, you will see that some of the answers fit in, and then you can minimize the options and find out the answer. I feel that this is the answer, an unwitting prey. Alright, now let us try to find out through the solutions. We have 4 options, and our answer that was fit was first matches with the fourth blank. So the option is option number B. C. If you are very sure of your answer, you do not need to even check the other options. The according to me, answer is B part. Let us check question number 3, B, C. So just through one answer, that is unwitting prey, I could easily find out the answer. Again, this has saved a time. Sorry, this has saved my time. So therefore, I say this is a time bound test, and time is very most important for us, because in least time we have to attempt maximum questions. So therefore, still, if you want to check, you can go through your answers. There are certain pockets. There is a crying need to now support, a general lack of emotional connect, here today, gone tomorrow. These are the 5 answers. But through just one answer, I was able to find out the correct option. Similarly, you can also do so. Okay, now we'll go to question number 4. Question number 4, based on your reading of the passage, complete the sparrows play for survival. Now, this is a response based answer. So you will have to read the paragraph and then try to find out the answer. So this requires an understanding. You have already read the paragraph once or twice. Okay, and through this passage also you will be easily find out what could be the answer. Hence, you can get it from here. There has been a loss of habitat due to decrease in, let's find out the answer, shrub vegetation. So there has been loss of habitat due to shrub vegetation. And what is the loss of? There has been a loss of habitat. And then why are they not able to? The option number C is they are not able to find food because crops have been sprayed with excessive use of pesticides and pesticide usage. Then again, question number 4 is what they are asking, what they are requesting for to us. They are requesting for making homes for them because we have destroyed their habitats, right? Small sparrow houses, small houses. And then what do they need as food? Because crops have been sprayed with pesticides, they need some food or grains that now people usually do during summers. They put water on their roofs or outside their homes, and also grains, so birds can eat and not die due to hunger, right? So this was completely an understanding based question, and after reading the passage you can easily attempt the answer. Now we will move to question number 5. The text states that the World Sparrow Day is celebrated all over the world because. So first blank is the region, and the second is in order to, what is the purpose. So what is the reason of celebrating? Because the number of sparrows are decreasing day by day, and not only to India but across the world. And second, it is celebrated to raise awareness about house sparrows so that they do not become extinct. And by raising awareness, we can save them, we can protect them, and keep them conserved. Alright, now moving to question number 6. The following is today's Delhiites' response to the fact that sparrow was adopted as a state bird of Delhi as far back as 2012. This is completely a question of jumbled words that we have to form a sentence. So the correct answer it is ironical that despite being Delhi's state bird, the house sparrow is today a rare species in the capital. So the answer is it is ironical that despite being Delhi's state bird, the house sparrow is today a rare species in the capital. So this is the correct answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7 says Question number 7. Complete the following statement by choosing the correct option. Muhammad Dilawar is a conservationist. Such a person is one who, now he is a conservationist. We need to understand the meaning of conservationist. Who is a conservationist? So conservation means protection. So manages natural habitats including parks, forests and rangelands. Maybe. Favors traditional views and values. No. Is driven by a set of overarching beliefs and ideology. No. Advocates for the protection and preservation of environment and wildlife. That is what our passage is about. So conservationist, the answer is option number D, question number 7, right, correct. Now question number 8, option number C. Choose the option that is not true according to the text. Now we have to choose an option which is not correct. It means other three are true, one is false. So sparrows rarely undertake long flights. This is true. The house sparrow is a state bird of the day. True. Sparrows are often found perching on mobile towers. No, because radiation is harmful to them. So the answer is question number 8. The answer is part option number C. So question option number 8, we have answer number C. It is correct. Now moving on to question number 9. List the possible reasons for the decline in the sparrow population. Again, this is an understanding based question. We will read the passage and then find out the answer. So there could be many reasons and you have to list out the reasons. So the three reasons mentioned over here are architecture of modern houses, decline in, because modern houses they are not that kind of slope kind of roofs. They have roofs, the people can also go over there. In slope type of houses, birds usually sit on it. All right, so architecture of modern houses, decline in shrub vegetation, we have destroyed the vegetation, so they have lost their habitat. And third is excessive use of pesticides in agriculture, so they do not get proper food. All right, these are the three reasons that one may easily get after reading the passage. Now the last question, question number 10. Question number 10 says pesticides infect the egg sheaths of the sparrows. Based on your understanding of what a sheath is, choose an option which lists the illustration image that uses a sheath. So basically, we have seen that pesticides infect the egg sheaths of the sparrows. All right. Now, what is egg sheath? We have read the passage, and now based on that understanding, we have to choose an option which lists the image that uses a sheath. So I think the answer is option number D, because this is known as sheath kind of surface, and yes, option number D is the correct answer. So these were the 10 questions, and I have also taught you how to attempt such questions, what the strategy that should be avoided. So you have seen that it will hardly, I am explaining, so it is taking 10 to 12 minutes. Otherwise, if you are just attempting these questions, it will hardly take 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes, or maximum 10 minutes to do this question. Alright, thank you so much. If you still have any doubt, I'm there. You can send me your suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe English Unleashed for more updates. Thank you so much.